All right, listen up, everyone. Apex Trader Funding just relaunched, and I want to talk about it. I want to walk you through the six biggest changes because every single one of them is a game changer, in my opinion. Number one, end of day drawdown. This is huge. I cannot stress how huge this is. The old Apex had a real time trailing drawdown. Basically means if your account went up mid trade and then pulled back, the drawdown followed you in real time. People were getting liquidated on winning trades because the drawdown trailed tick by tick, right? That's gone. That's gone. End of day now. You have an option for either, but I definitely like the end of day personally. Number two, no payout denials. This was the biggest complaint in the entire prop firm space. Traders would pass their eval, hit their targets on the funded account, request a payout, then get denied. No more of that. If you get to that point to request a payout, from what I'm reading, you should get it. Okay. No more MAE rule. So this is huge as well. This was a rule that tracked how far a trade went against you before it went in your favor. So even if the trade ended up being a winning trade and it dipped too far against you first, they could flag you for it. That's gone as well. The risk reward rule never really affected me much, but I could see how it could with some. For example, a lot of scalpers and a lot of ICT traders use wider stops with tighter targets, depending on the setup, right? That's just how certain strategies work. You shouldn't be penalized for your trading style if you're making money, right? That rule is gone as well. Number five, built-in scaling. On the old Apex, when you got funded, you had to trade half your contract size until your account hit a certain threshold. So on a 50K account, you might only be able to trade like 3 minis instead of 6 until you proved yourself again. Now scaling in is built into the performance account. You don't have to jump through hoops or wait to unlock your full size. This means you can actually trade the way you need to from day one on your funded account, basically. Number six, the 50% consistency rule. Now, there is still a consistency rule, but it has been loosened significantly. It went from 30% to 50. In my opinion, this is probably one of the best things that could happen. I'm pretty sure that's straightforward, but let me explain it a little more for those that don't understand. On the old 30% rule, if your profit target was 3,000, no single day could make more than 900. At 50%, the same day you can now be at 1,500. That's a massive difference. It gives you way more breathing room and it doesn't punish you as hard as for having one great day, right? For NQ traders especially, this is a big deal because we know NQ can give you 1,000 plus days easily, right? Now I want to scroll down and I want to talk about my favorite account. My favorite new account, I should say, I guess. All right, so I still like the 50K Tradevate end of day trailing drawdown. As you can see, this is what I have chosen here. I'm sure all these are fine. I used to use Rhythmic, no complaints. And people seem to really like wealth charts as well if you want to try that. But I'm very familiar with Tradevate, so that's the one I would pick. 50K. Now let's talk about it, okay? So your profit target to pass this is 3,000, right? You can use 6 minis or 60 micros. Right here's what I really like, everyone. This is huge for me. The one day to pass. You can literally pass your eval. It doesn't mean you have to, but you can pass this eval in one day, right? A lot of places it takes like 7, sometimes more. Also, I want to point out something. I know this is just a lot of my raw thoughts is coming into this. One thing I like as well is there's no reoccurring monthly fee, right, with these evals. One thing we do have to be careful with here, everyone's just a daily loss limit of 1,000. So what if when it hits that, it's gonna lock you out or whatever. That's I guess would be called a soft breach, right? I guess that's the proper term for it. So we don't have to worry about scaling as well. It's already built in for PA. TradingView compatible, Tradevate license included, all that good stuff. Real time data fees included, which is it's common with prop firms. Looks like there's no resets. So at 29.55, I'm not for sure if I care if there's resets or not. We can just it'd be cheaper to buy another one, right? It doesn't make sense anymore. I'm trying to think if I left anything out here. I would love to know what you all think about the new Apex website and the new accounts. I'm pretty excited. And I also read that they're coming out with the straight to sim funded. So I'm interested to see how they do that. But I 100% believe this is a game changer for the prop space. One of the biggest updates I've ever seen. Really looking forward to see what else Apex can put out in the near future. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And always use code Grizzly, okay? Code Grizzly gets you 90% off. And I want to invite everyone to come live trade with me. I go live every morning and would love to have you all there. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.